So one add-on that I'd like to show you is Fiippity and how it can turn spreadsheets into online flashcards or really any of the items that you see here on our list. So in order to do so, we are going to go to our little waffle, and you can go to Drive, or I'm going to go directly to Sheets since that's the app that we would have to use in order to use this add-on. So we'll start with a blank template. Whenever it creates that untitled blank template, we will then go to our add-ons section. In our add-ons, if you do not have Fiippity, you'll have to go to Get Add-ons and type it in and add the permissions onto your Google Sheets. But since I already have it, it is already there, and then I can pick a template. From this template, it will give you the list of the items that you've seen that we can create. If we would like to use flashcards, we will press go ahead and use. Once it creates the template for you, then you are going to be able to edit. If you want it to be able to be seen by multiple people, we will have to make sure to publish our worksheet so then that way others can see it. We can also shorten it if we'd like, and this all is available as well in the add-on features if you forget. So we'll go ahead and close out, and then we can edit our document as we see fit. So I can say, what is the first book of the Bible? And then we can type our answer over here. I can spell it. And then we can go on to all of the other ones as well. Then once we have all of our lists done, then we can go over here to publish to the web. Whenever we press publish to the web, we will hit publish. And then that allows other people to see the sheets that you just created. You do have options as far as if you would like to stop publishing at any time. But what's nice again is it automatically updates anytime you do. If you are advanced and you'd like to embed this into a site, you can do that as well. But once I hit publish, I'm pretty much done with this screen. And then if you would like to go to share that to URL, then if we go back to Fiippity, notice since I've already used the add-on, it now has changed to fiippity.net URL, and this will share with us what our URL is. So if we click on this URL specifically, it will automatically come up into a new screen. If you would like to share this with other people, then you can click down here and press share. And then again, you can copy and paste that link, or you can share it through email, a QR code if you'd like to tweet it, if you'd like to share it with Google+, or just share the original spreadsheet itself. I hope this helps show you how to use Fiippity, and if you have any additional questions, please let me know and I'd be happy to do so.